So let's say you've already built your secret base in Minecraft, but your entrance is not so conspicuous. You can hide your entrance by building a secret door. They can be as complex as you'd like, and the only limit is your skill with redstone circuits and sticky pistons. If you're looking for something relatively simple, here's what you can make. To install this relatively quick and simple door, 2 blocks high and a single block wide, you'll need a space near the entrance at least 4 blocks long and 5 blocks wide. Accounting for headroom, you'll need a ceiling at least 6 blocks high while setting up. Material-wise, you'll need 2 buttons, a lever, a redstone torch, 8 redstone dust, 6 sticky pistons, 2 blocks of what your wall is made out of, and a redstone repeater. This will only work if the blocks you've made a wall out of can be pushed and pulled by a sticky piston. To start, designate your door space by thinning out a 5 block long and 4 block high portion of your wall to a single block wide. Place a button at the leftmost corner of this section at 3 blocks from ground level. Then make your hole in your wall 1 block wide and 2 blocks high from ground level to mark your opening. Mark the other end of this portion of wall with a perpendicular wall 2 blocks high and 3 blocks long. Against this wall, place an array of 4 sticky pistons facing you. Turn to the right so your back is against your outer wall, and place 2 more sticky pistons facing you, forming an L shape. Move out of the space, and place 2 blocks of your wall material where you just were. Now the heart of your door mechanism is set. All that's left is to set a path and wire the redstone circuit that makes it all work. First, extend your perpendicular wall to cover the backs of all of your pistons, with an extra section a block wide to cover the hole you made in the wall. At this point, you should have an L-shaped section 3 blocks from the wall and 4 blocks across. From the top of that last block, add 2 blocks above the hole you made to link your L-shaped wall to your outer wall. From here, walk over the arch you just made to your outer wall, and break the 4th block from the ground, and the block right above the button you placed. Trace your steps along the wall you built, then place redstone dust on each block, leading back to the buttons. Behind the piston facing your outer wall, you'll need to set down the delay switch instead of dust. Make sure the arrow marking on the switch faces the perpendicular section of wall, and right-click it once to set a delay. Once you've traced your steps back to your button, place a single redstone torch on the top of the same block, and your secret door will power up and slam shut. Right-clicking on the button will open the door briefly before it shuts itself. To access the door from the outside, place a button underneath the torch and press it to let yourself in. To lock the door while you're inside, place a lever on the right block of the arch linking your outer and inner walls. Right-clicking this lever will deactivate the buttons. All that's left for you to do is further disguise the entrance. Feel free to add decorative fake buttons and an overhang to hide the holes you made in the wall. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Minecraft and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.